How to make money off altcoins. The year 2023 has proven to be a perfect time for those who want to make money with crypto. Early investors who engage with the right strategies can hope for substantial gains. But is everything that glitters in crypto really gold? We show what you need to know to successfully invest in crypto. In the dynamic market of digital currencies, there are various ways to make real money. But which cryptocurrency should you buy when there's so much choice? Here we present some promising approaches to making money with crypto. A promising approach to making money with crypto is crypto pre-sales at ICOs, initial coin offerings. These offer investors the chance to invest early in promising projects and thus benefit from a possible increase in value. Making money with pre-sales means buying cryptocurrencies or tokens before their official launch, often at a reduced price. This can be a profitable investment if the project is successful and the demand for tokens rises. Making money with ICOs, on the other hand, refers to participating in initial coin offerings, where companies bring new cryptocurrencies or tokens to the market. Investors can acquire these tokens to financially support the project and ideally benefit from an increase in value. To successfully invest in pre-sales and ICOs, diligent research is essential. Investors should thoroughly examine the project, the team, and the underlying technology to assess the chances of success. It is also advisable to deal with risks and regulatory aspects, as ICOs are subject to legal restrictions in some countries. Experience shows that pre-sales and ICOs offer high return potential but are also associated with considerable risks. Therefore, it is important to only invest in projects whose potential you can assess well and are willing to bear the risk of loss. A sensible strategy is to diversify the portfolio to spread the risk. Investors should not invest all their capital in a single project but consider several promising pre-sales and ICOs. Crypto trading. Crypto trading is another common method to make money with crypto. This involves buying and selling various cryptocurrencies on crypto exchanges to profit from price fluctuations. Making money with crypto trading requires market knowledge, analytical skills, and a good strategy. Investors can choose between various trading styles, such as day trading, swing trading, or scalping. Each style has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on individual risk tolerance and available resources. A careful analysis of the markets, including technical and fundamental analysis, is crucial for making successful trading decisions. In crypto trading, many investors use leveraged products to maximize their potential profits. Using leverage allows you to take larger positions than your own capital would allow. However, this can also increase the risk of loss, especially during extreme market fluctuations. Another aspect to consider in crypto trading is choosing the right trading platform. There are numerous crypto exchanges and brokers that offer different fees, trading pairs, and features. Investors who opt for crypto trading should intensively deal with technical analysis and market mechanisms to increase their chance of success. Staking and lending are two more popular ways to make money with crypto. Both methods are based on lending or staking cryptocurrencies to generate passive income. Making money with crypto staking involves freezing or holding cryptocurrencies in a wallet to support the underlying network. In return, investors receive rewards in the form of additional tokens or interest. Staking is mainly suitable for proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, or Polkadot. Making money with crypto lending, on the other hand, means lending cryptocurrencies to other users or platforms that pay interest on the borrowed amounts. To do this, investors can use special lending platforms or deposit their cryptocurrencies in interest accounts on crypto exchanges or wallets. Both staking and lending offer a way to generate passive income with cryptocurrencies. Another option is yield farming with cryptos. However, such methods are also associated with risks, such as the risk of loss due to platform failures or hacker attacks. Therefore, one should carefully check which platforms and projects to trust and diversify investments appropriately. Then you can also earn interest with cryptocurrencies. A major advantage of staking and lending is the opportunity to generate passive income without having to actively participate in market events. But the best DeFi lending providers, there's a chance for long-term returns. For investors with a long-term perspective who do not want to constantly monitor their investments, these methods can be an attractive alternative to crypto trading. It is of course also important to choose providers that offer the highest effective annual interest rate. Mining is a classic approach to making money with cryptocurrencies. Making money with crypto mining means providing computing power to confirm transactions and create new coins. Especially with proof-of-work cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, mining is a central part of the network. Investors who want to participate in mining need special hardware, such as ASIC miners or graphic cards. These devices require a high initial investment and incur ongoing costs such as electricity or cooling. Therefore, it is important to carefully calculate the profitability of mining and weigh potential revenues against the costs incurred. An alternative to operating your own mining hardware is so-called cloud mining. With this method, investors rent computing power from specialized providers who operate mining farms. Cloud mining can be an interesting option to reduce entry barriers and technical know-how required for independent mining. However, investors should also carefully check which providers are reputable and what returns are realistically to be expected. In recent years, mining has increasingly centralized and large mining farms dominate the market. This can make it more difficult for individual investors to be successful in competing for new coins and transaction fees. One option is to form mining pools where multiple miners come together to pool their computing power and share rewards. Risk-free money making with crypto? Is it possible? In the world of cryptocurrencies, there's no risk-free method to make money. However, investors can take certain precautions to minimize their risks and increase their chances of success. One of the most important tips is to educate oneself sufficiently about the various cryptocurrencies, trading strategies, and technologies before investing in this area. This also includes following the latest developments and trends in the crypto market to make informed decisions. Furthermore, you should only invest an amount that you can afford to lose. The volatility of the crypto market can lead to sudden losses in value, and it is important not to risk more money than you can handle. Diversification is also a key aspect to reduce risk. Instead of investing all your capital in a single cryptocurrency or specific approach, you should spread your portfolio across different asset classes, cryptocurrencies, and strategies. In conclusion, it is advisable to be aware that fraud and fraudulent practices exist in the crypto world. Therefore, one should always be vigilant when selecting crypto projects, platforms, and service providers, and pay attention to their reputation. While there is no risk-free method to make money with crypto, investors can minimize their risks and improve their chances of success through cautious action and informed decisions. It is essential to continuously educate oneself to stay up to date with the developments in the crypto market and to recognize potential opportunities in time.